Effortless, lucrative, transformative. Passive income isn't just a buzzword, it's the key to financial freedom and unlocking the life you've always dreamed of. What if your money could work for you even while you sleep? In today's video, I'm sharing the top 10 passive income ideas that are printing money. Stay tuned till the end and you'll uncover strategies that can open doors you never thought possible. Number 10. Print on-demand businesses. What if your artistic talent could be your golden goose? Print on-demand businesses allow creators to monetize their designs without the hassle of managing inventory. Imagine uploading a quirky t-shirt slogan or a stunning piece of artwork on the platforms like Redbubble, Printful, or Merch by Amazon. These platforms handle the production, shipping, and even customer service for you. Think of the potential. A single trending design can go viral, selling thousands of items. For instance, an artist created a minimalist cat drawing and earned over $50,000 within a year. The secret, timely, relatable, and appealing designs paired with smart marketing. Not a designer? Tools like Canva make it easy for beginners to create appealing visuals. Success requires persistence and a bit of creative flair, but once you hit the jackpot, your designs can keep earning indefinitely. Number 9. YouTube channels without showing your face. Can you build a fortune without stepping in front of the camera? The rise of faceless YouTube channels has revolutionized content creation. From top 10 lists to motivational compilations, these channels rake in millions without requiring their creators to appear on screen. One creator built a channel around calming rain sounds and now earns over $15,000 a month through ads and memberships. All they did was upload high-quality soundscapes with soothing visuals. The key here is consistency. Tools like Adobe Premiere or even ad-based video generators make it easier than ever to create polished videos. Focus on timeless topics with high search demand like study music or life hacks to ensure your content remains relevant for years. Number 8. Self-publishing books with Amazon KDP. Could a single book set you on the path to financial freedom? Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) platform has democratized the world of publishing. Authors and creators can now earn royalties for life by publishing their work, whether it's an elaborate novel, a cookbook, or even a low-content coloring book. For example, a writer published a short ebook on productivity hacks and made $25,000 in the first 6 months. The magic lies in tapping into niche audiences hungry for specific content. Tools like Scrivener and Grammarly make the writing process smoother, while Amazon handles distribution. It's a one-time effort that can pay dividends for years, especially when paired with marketing strategies like email lists or ads. Number 7. Renting out real estate. What if you could turn property ownership into a steady paycheck? Real estate has long been a cornerstone of passive income. Whether you're renting out a studio apartment, a vacation home on 𝐟𝐵𝐺, or even a parking spot in a busy city, the opportunities are endless. The beauty of rental income lies in its predictability. A 2-bedroom apartment in a high-demand area can bring in $2,000, $5,000 monthly, depending on location and amenities. Even a short-term rental like an 𝐟𝐵𝐺 can outperform long-term leases in tourist-heavy areas. Don't have the funds for property? Consider house hacking, buying a duplex, living in one unit, and renting the other. It's a smart way to build equity while generating cash flow. Number 6. Dividend-paying stocks, a classic wealth builder. What if your money worked harder than you ever could? Dividend-paying stocks are a tried-and-true method for generating passive income. These are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits back to investors regularly. Giants like Apple, Coca-Cola, and Procter & Gamble have built reputations for consistent payouts. What makes dividends so powerful is their compounding potential. For example, if you reinvest dividends into additional shares, your returns grow exponentially over time. Investors with portfolios focused on high-yield dividend stocks often achieve monthly income streams that can rival full-time salaries. It's a reliable way to grow wealth over the long term with relatively low effort. Number 5. Digital products. One-time work, lifetime royalties. What if your expertise could keep paying you forever? Digital products like ebooks, online courses, graphic templates, or even stock photos are perfect for passive income. These items require upfront work but no ongoing production costs, making them incredibly scalable. Unlike physical goods, you don't have to worry about shipping or inventory, making digital products a stress-free revenue stream. A creator who made a simple Excel budgeting template now earns $3,000 monthly years after the initial upload. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable make it easy to reach global audiences. From travel planners to coding tutorials, the variety of digital products you can offer is almost limitless. The secret to success? Solve a specific problem or meet a particular demand. Whether you're teaching photography or offering social media templates, the opportunities are endless. And the best part is, once your product is live, the income flows in with little to no extra effort. Number 4. Vending machines. Profits at every stop. Could a box of snacks generate wealth? Vending machines may seem old school, but they're surprisingly lucrative when strategically placed. Busy locations like schools, gyms, and office buildings can generate steady income from a single machine. The key is identifying high-traffic areas where convenience drives purchases. Entrepreneurs who scale this business report earning over $10,000 monthly by managing multiple machines. Maintenance is minimal. Just restock snacks and beverages regularly, and you're good to go. Some even diversify by offering healthier options or unique snacks to stand out in the market. The low barrier to entry and high profit margins make vending machines a smart choice for beginners in the passive income space. It's a business that doesn't require extensive expertise and thrives on consistency. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Turn recommendations into cash. Can you earn money just by recommending what you already love? Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Every time someone buys through your unique link, you get a cut of the sale. Whether you're sharing your favorite kitchen gadgets or online tools, there's something for every niche. Top bloggers and YouTubers earn 6 figures annually by recommending everything from travel gear to software tools. The beauty lies in its simplicity. You don't handle inventory or shipping, just promotion. With effective strategies like writing in-depth reviews or creating tutorials, affiliate marketers can attract consistent traffic and conversions. To maximize earnings, focus on high-ticket items or recurring revenue services like web hosting or subscription software. Platforms like Amazon Associates or 𝐟𝐸𝐴 make it easy to get started. And as your audience grows, so does your potential income. Number 2. Automated dropshipping stores. Could you run a retail business without touching a single product? Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, your supplier ships the product directly to them. You keep a profit margin without worrying about logistics. This hands-off model makes it appealing to entrepreneurs with limited time or capital. Successful dropshippers often use platforms like Shopify and AliExpress, pairing them with targeted ads to drive traffic. One entrepreneur scaled their store to $50,000 monthly by selling trending gadgets. By focusing on high-demand products and maintaining strong customer service, dropshippers can carve out a profitable niche. Dropshipping's flexibility and low upfront costs make it one of the most accessible passive income strategies. Plus, the ability to pivot quickly allows you to test new products without significant risk. Number 1. Creating evergreen content for YouTube or blogs. What if you could create something today that pays for decades? Evergreen content is king when it comes to long-term passive income. Whether it's a blog post about how to tie a tie or a YouTube video reviewing the best budget laptops, evergreen topics remain relevant and continue to attract audiences. One tech YouTuber shared how a single video on smartphone reviews generated consistent ad revenue for 5 years. Similarly, bloggers earn affiliate commissions from old articles that still rank high on search engines. The key is to focus on timeless topics and optimize your content for SEO. Once set up, these assets keep working for you with little to no maintenance. So which passive income idea inspired you the most? Whether it's investing in stocks, starting an online business, or leveraging rental properties, there's an option for everyone to start building wealth today. Share your favorite idea or your own success story in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more game-changing financial advice and strategies. Thanks for watching, stay ambitious, stay creative, and let's start building your passive income streams together.